The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning and welcome to the Hypto cryptocurrency review for Monday, the 20th of November 2017. And remember, this is not advice. This is really just one second, please. This is an unusual look at an unusual market that has extreme rewards and extreme risks. And the risk has been on the upside. So g'day, Charles, how are you? And I hope I'm recording and doing everything okay right now. So on Saturday morning, after we saw a decline in Bitcoin, I was asked by a couple of PHG members who are investing in Bitcoin whether they should buy some, and we managed to get actually the low dollars for one PHG member. Basically, it was around about 74.20 that it should have gone to, and he texted me and asked, should he be buying, because he had a target area around that area as well. It didn't quite get there, so I said just simply go to market. And so since then, it's basically up some $600. Full stop, new line. Bitcoin has blasted through 8,000. And actually proved Goldman Sachs correct. They said it would go to 8,000, but really it is ignoring 8,000. And just going straight through. So my target at 9,000 still holds. It's up. The weekly charts are nice. We could call this an expanding triangle, but as there is no real governmental manipulation, we would think that it's going higher, new line. So we can see it got slapped down aggressively last week and came back very well. So we would target towards 8,164 and 8,500. This is a very strong market, and for those people who have been slow at adopting this, You may be regretting not doing that when it hits 20,000 new line. A week or so ago, I suggested that Ethereum might start to actually move new line. Ethereum new line. Ethereum was doing really good. Your Bitcoin really moved up above 8,000, and like it ran towards $374, and now it's back down and finding resistance again at the downtrend line. No means is better than Bitcoin. When I said go long, it's still suppressed, but if it took out $380, we would expect $420 new line. At the moment, the stop loss, if long, would be below $300. Litecoin. Now, Litecoin has been one of the, well, it's a bit like Ethereum in terms of shape. It's not as good as Bitcoin, but volume is in there and it's moving along nicely. I would suspect it probably could rotate back down to about $65 or $66. Loss should be below $59. EOS, that I was very keen on, and it has run well. Unfortunately, it ran towards $2. I was thinking it should hit $2. It blew through by 7 cents, and now it probably can come back down to $1.40 or $1.50. Full stop new line. So if you have been long this, take some profits. Go long if it closes above $2 again on a daily basis, but I think it's due for a pullback now, new line. XRP USD Ripple. This definitely had a nice failed, and it's a little bit like Ethereum. Facts of this currency I just found, or this crypto, is that it is actually not mined, new line. So it's a little bit of a problem with that. It should be, if you would be below 20 cents, and we would hope that it would range back up to about 26 now. New line. I have a dragon issue here I have to fix. Just 1 second. It keeps on putting a dash as in a hyphen. So I'm going to have to use the word dash coin. Dash coin, dash coin, dash coin, dash coin, dash coin. Dashcoin went for a good run and is having a breather at the moment. Line. So it's still got good potential. It did drop down to $400, which is exactly where it should go to. So if you are long this, have a stop loss on close below $380, and we would hope for probably $800 now, new line. Monero. Monero also went for a nice little run last week, like Dash, and it's also having a breather. It's not as strong as Dash, and it's more likely to roll back down to about $5 or $106, new line. Monero, Monero, Monero. So in all, the crypto space has shown some signs of strength, but the mothership is still Bitcoin, and it's still powering along. Neo USD, new line. Also suffering from Ethereum-itis. It's still in a big triangle and is just wafting around after to getting close towards $50. think of is it probably comes back down to about $31 new line. IOT USD. A good run, and it doesn't seem to be ready to stop. We see a 5-wave decline in this 1 wave up. So if it did come back down to about 65 cents, this would be a buy with a stop loss below 45 cents, $1.10 new line. ZE. Running fairly nicely on volume, so I would expect it toward $400, especially on a break above $313. You would have your stop loss below $252. Do we have any questions about any cryptocurrencies that you want to look at that I have not covered yet? For those people, yeah, who've been hanging off getting in, let me know, because it really is starting to move in a lot of ways. So, okay, so we will now go across to the Forex and commodities. Boom, boom, boom.